So hello everybody, this is Shubham from Whinta, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to integrate Contact Form 7 with Whinta. So there are various reasons of using Contact Form 7 with WordPress. Like I have listed some examples here. Like for in the contact form 7 you might use our winter plugin for delivering some coupons or sending some appointment confirmation, lead notification to sale teams, order tracking information, event registration confirmation, survey and follow up, custom codes, product inquiry, and there are various options for of using contact form 7. And by this you can manage all the data, or you can send the notifications to your customer directly to their WhatsApp. So how this is basically working. So before diving into that, I'm going to give you a short brief example. Let's pick up the first option that I am if I want to send a coupon to our customer who fill ups our contact form 7. So in that case, I have created a demo form here. Like this is the form of contact form 7, where we are getting the information from user like their name, email and phone number. After when the user gets submitted this form, then what in the backend our does in the backend Winta basically uses this phone number and some admin values to send the uh, user the discount to directly to their WhatsApp. So before diving into that, you have to log into your Winta account. Like in my case, let me log into my Winta dashboard. And here you have to go to developer tools, and you have to generate an API key. After generating an API key, you make sure have to copy this key. And our next step is you have to download a plugin which is officially by Wintuf, which integrates Contact Form 7 in WordPress. So what you have to search for, you have to search for Winta integration for Contact Form 7, and you have to open the Winta website and you can download the plugin from here. I have already downloaded the plugin, so I will go to my WordPress and clicking on add new plugin. And you can also search our plugin from WordPress directory as well. Our plugin has been also listed in our WordPress. By the way, I have downloaded my plugin and I've installed it here. So after installing, you have to activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, you have to go to settings menu and you will get an option of C7 Winta. You have to open this and you have to update the API key that you have copied earlier from your developer tools. Like in my case, I have pasted my API key here. After that, what you have to do, currently I have already set up a form which is an offer form where I have used the field your name, your email, your WhatsApp number and a submit button. So how to work on this template, and what are the uh, options to work with it, there will here you will see a new tab of Winta settings and how to fill up this information. Let's discuss about it. Before diving into that, you have to create a template from your Winta dashboard. Like you have to go to the message template, and in my case I have already created a template of contact form where I have used used a single variable named as here you can see the our template name, template category, and you have to implement a body structure where the first variable should be the customer name and the second variable should be the custom or dynamic value where you will want to which you want to send. So here I have used a basic template like thank you for submitting the form. Here is your coupon code. Use this coupon code for your next purchase to get 10% off. But this is a simple template I have just used. Now what you have to do here, you have to fill up some information. Like for the name field, you have to go to the mail tab and copy the short code. Like for the name, I have the short code this. I will just paste it there. For the phone number field, I have the shortcut this. You can also check that my phone number has been used with this shortcode, which I have created with tell option. And for the template name, you have to copy the same name you have used while window template creation. And for the variable, this variable should be the value 2. So in that case, I will use some coupon like OFF10. So what will be the final outcome of this? When user submit a form, then the message will display, hello Shubham, thank you for submitting the form, here is your coupon code. And the coupon code will be like OFF10, and the rest will be the same. So let's see whether it is working or not. Now what I will do, I have already used this shortcode in page. Yes, I have already implemented this form shortcode to this page. Let's test whether it is working or not. So in that case, I am implementing like Shubham, and on the mobile number I am entering my WhatsApp number. After submitting, you can see that I have got my WhatsApp message right there, that hello Shubham, thank you for submitting the form. Here is your coupon code of 10. So this is how you can integrate our Whinta with contact form 7.